Yes. See, you never can tell what's going to happen. Possibly a bit of a dead pig. It's gone, whatever it is. What happens when they do move, they get a big build up of lactic acid, and they've got to get rid of that lactic acid, so they'll just rest for a minute. This crocodile's pretty familiar with the boat, so he's not scared at all.
But he'd only a small one still, wouldn't he?
Yeah, he's about 2.2, 2.5 metres.
What do they grow to?
Well, the record in Australia is 8 metres.
Oh my gosh.
This boat's 9 metres long.
Oh. What's the biggest do you reckon you've seen?
What was that, sorry?
What's the biggest you think you've seen?
Oh, about 6 metres.
That's alright, don't worry about it.
What it's doing is yeah, just getting rid of the lactic acid there for the second. But what they do is they'll let the carcass rot. Now this is why the crocodiles are so dangerous, is because they will kill large animals, and then they'll let them rot and chew them up and smash them like this and tear it up into small chunks so that they can actually swallow it.